Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Machine. Today I would like to introduce you our new design hammer mill. This hammer mill with an 132 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity for this machine is 5 to 6 tons power. With this machine we fit with a 10 millimeters screen, and it can grind the wood chips to sawdust. This, as you can see, this hammer mill we fit with an 4.5 meters double screw discharge conveyor. All the finished fine sawdust will go through this screw conveyors and for output. And with this hammer mill working, it will be a fan blower and also an 48 hose pneumatic dust collecting system. This dust collector will be fit on the top of a double screw conveyor. All these fine dust will drop down to this double screw conveyors, and all the materials will output from this part. So this new design can save your factory space. Because this hammer mill without cyclone, without airlock, and without back dust collector system, so it can save a lot of your factory space. This hammer mill also with a soft start control electric panel. From this panel, you can see that we have a voltage meter and ampere meter. It is all electric digital screen. And as you can see that this panel with two frequency speed device. One is for the input conveyor, and another is for fan blowers. So it will be easy control the speed of hammer mill working. And all these buttons, all these start and stop buttons, we use an anti-dust button, so it can use for a long lifetime. Inside this machine, you can see that it fits with a soft start control system, and also fan system for cooling the electric components. This is the two frequency device inside of this panel. All these electric components we use good quality one. This is today introduction for our new type hammer mill. I hope you like it. I will see you next time. Bye bye.